Hi, boys and girls. I am out with a sub today, as you can see, so please be on your very best behavior today for the sub. I wanted to take some time to explain an extra credit opportunity that I hope some of you choose to complete. It's an assignment called The Tale of Five Cities. Normally, I do this as a required assignment. However, with iStep approaching, I'm trying to squeeze out as much classroom time as I can. So this will be extra credit instead. To complete this assignment, you'll use the worksheet that the sub will be giving you. And you will also use the 4 links in Haiku. You see Haiku on the screen right now. I'm under the Chapter 6 tab, and you can see there are 4 links to use to complete this assignment. The first link, part 1, and the last link, part 4 down here, those 2 links you can use your iPad with. However, the middle 2, part 2 and part 3, can only be used on a desktop computer. So keep that in mind that you would need a desktop computer for part 2 and 3. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to navigate part 1, and then I'll have other videos for part 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Basically, this extra credit is a data collecting assignment where you're going to be collecting data on 5 different cities, and then you're going to, at the very end, kind of think about what you've learned from all the data that you've collected. Okay? So for part 1, I'm going to go ahead and tap it now. It is a latitude and longitude finder. Okay. And you have 5 cities. I'm going to skip the first city of Indianapolis. I'm going to do one that's a little bit more tricky, and I'm going to do Santiago. So I'm going to type that in the search box. I'm going to hit submit. And, oops, you can see I don't have Santiago, Chile. I have Santiago, Spain. So I need to go back up here and put the correct country that I'm looking for. We'll zoom out, kind of do a quick check. Yep, that's the one I want, the one in South America. You can see here is the equator, and then you can see Santiago, Chile is in the southern hemisphere, which is below the equator. Okay, and then right here, I'm going to kind of highlight it, is the latitude and longitude. And go ahead and just write down the whole numbers. So for latitude, it is 33 degrees south. Don't worry about that 28. Okay, go ahead and pick your pencil up and write that down. 33 degrees south. And then it is 70 degrees west. It is important to put the S and the W as well. The latitude, if you remember from your social studies class, is the imaginary lines that are horizontal. And the longitude are the vertical, up and down. Okay, so that is the end of video number 1. You would do the same for all of the other 4 remaining cities and find the correct latitude and longitude.